Welcome to our comparison video where we take a closer look at two popular portable washing machines. The ROVSUN 15LBS portable washing machine and the mini portable washing machine. Both machines are designed for convenience and efficiency, but they cater to different needs. In this video, we will analyze their specifications, features, and pricing to help you make an informed decision. Let's dive in. The ROVSUN offers a total capacity of 15 pounds, which includes a 9 pounds washing compartment and a 6 pounds spinning compartment. This makes it suitable for larger loads, ideal for families or individuals with more laundry. In contrast, the mini portable washing machine has a capacity of 15 Ls, which is great for smaller, delicate items like underwear and baby clothes. While both machines have the same nominal capacity, the ROVSUN's design allows for more efficient washing of larger loads. The ROVSUN comes equipped with a built-in drain pump, which simplifies the draining process, along with separate timers for washing and spinning, allowing for customizable cycles. On the other hand, the mini portable washing machine features a unique folding design that makes it easy to store and transport, along with a spin basket for added convenience. Each machine has its own set of features that cater to different user needs. When it comes to pricing, the ROVSUN is priced at $149, which reflects its larger capacity and additional features. In contrast, the mini portable washing machine is available for $78, making it a more budget-friendly option for those who need a compact washing solution. It's important to weigh the features against the price to determine which machine offers the best value for your specific needs. In conclusion, both the ROVSUN and the mini portable washing machine have their unique advantages. The ROVSUN is ideal for larger loads and offers more features, while the mini is perfect for those who need a lightweight, budget-friendly option for smaller items. We hope this comparison has helped you make an informed decision. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content.